that's been living with you for years. It steals your time, your dreams, your potential. The strange part? You invited it in yourself. Today, I'm going to expose it and teach you how to make it leave forever. You know this thief by another name, procrastination. It doesn't break into your home, it breaks into your mind. And every time you let it win, another opportunity slips away. But why do we let it control us? Scientists say your brain isn't lazy, it's scared. Your amygdala, the part of your brain built to protect you, sees hard tasks as danger. So instead of facing the threat, it distracts you with easier pleasures, checking your phone, reorganizing your desk, watching just one more video. It's survival mode, but for the wrong enemy. Maybe you've been there. You sit down to start that project, but somehow you end up scrolling through photos from 3 years ago. You promise yourself you'll work out, but you're still lying in bed, watching workout tips. You tell yourself you'll make that important call, but suddenly, cleaning the kitchen feels urgent. The thief is clever, but it's not invincible. You can outsmart it. Step 1, the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't think, don't plan, just do. Step 2, break the monster into pieces. Don't write the whole report. Just write one paragraph. Don't get in shape. Just put on your workout shoes. Step 3, guard your focus. Put the phone in another room. Shut the tabs. Give yourself 30 minutes, completely undisturbed. Step 4, reward yourself. Train your brain to link action with pleasure. Finish the task, then have that coffee, watch that show, take that walk. Procrastination isn't a part of you, it's just a habit. And habits can be broken. So here's my challenge. Before this video ends, do one small thing you've been avoiding. Not tomorrow, not later. Now, the thief has stolen enough. It's time to take your life back.